Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I'm going to take up a very important part of debenture. Okay, today's class will be on debenture, where we are going to learn a very important part of debenture, which is important for your board exams also. So today we are going to learn an important topic of debenture, which is titled as conditional issue of debenture. Okay, before that, let me tell you a little bit about debenture. As you have already learned in your previous classes, the debenture is a debt instrument, isn't it? Debt instrument means a instrument using which you can raise money from public, that too as a borrowed fund. Okay, it's a DEBT, debt instrument, which is used to raise fund as a borrowed money, okay, or as a borrowed fund, where you can raise the fund as borrowed fund. So here, what is the main thing, that you have to pay a fixed rate of interest. Okay, the time period will be assigned for how many days you are going to take the money for as debenture. Okay, in return of that money, you are going to give a certificate which will be a proof that, or an acknowledgement that you have taken the money, and it is a proof of the debt. Okay, so that is why it is called debenture is a debt instrument. Okay, where you are going to issue a certificate in return of the money what you have taken from the public. Clear? So here is a question where we will be learning about the conditional issue. Conditional issue means what? A situation where you are issuing the debenture with certain conditions written in on that after certain time you are going to return this much amount of money. Simple example, if I say I am going to take 10 rupees from you, and I am going to return the 10 rupees after, say, 1 month, with a premium of 2 rupees. That means I have taken 10 rupees from you, and I'm going to return how much? 12 rupees, right? 10 rupees plus 2 rupees of premium, 12 rupees. So this is a condition. In that way, there might be many other conditions, like I might issue the debenture at, say, 100 rupees debenture. I'm issuing at 100 rupees. So issued at par, isn't it? And I'm redeeming at, or say repaying. Redeeming means to repay back. Okay, I'm going to repay back at par, means at 100 rupees only. I will take 100 rupees and I'm going to repay back at 100 rupees. Interest will be given. That is separate. Don't worry about that. Okay, just the condition. In the conditional issue, don't think about interest. That will be given, since it is a debt instrument. So interest will be there, but it will not come here in this type of questions. Here you are going to show only the conditional issues, how the debenture might be taken at a time of issue and how it will be recorded at a time of redemption, the relationship. Okay, so as you issue the debenture, it can be issued at par and redeemable at par. Matlab, par means you already know that if 100 rupees is the debenture value, par debenture, then I'm issuing at 100 rupees and I'm going to repay back, return back. Repay back means redeem or return back at 100 rupees. That is issue and redemption at par. Issued at par, redeemable at par. Then next situation can be like this: issued at premium. That means I am issuing at more than the face value. 100 rupees the price. I might issue at more than 100 rupees. It can be 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, more than that. Okay, more than 100 rupees. So that will be called as issued at premium. And while returning it back, I am going to repay you at par. Par means 100 rupees का था ना, 100 rupees ही return करूंगा. Issue किया था premium में, redeem किया par में. So this is under another condition. Okay. The third condition is I might issue the 100 rupees debenture at less than the face value. Face value 100 है, less उससे कम में issue करने से क्या होगा? Issued at discount, right? Issued at discount. So I'm issuing at 95 rupees and repayable. I'll repay it back at 100 rupees at par. Okay, that is a situation of issued at discount. Issued discount means I'm issuing at less than 100 rupees. It might be 99, it might be 98, it might be 95. I'm issuing at 95 and redeeming at 100 rupees. Means issued at discount and redeemable at par. ठीक है, redeem जब किया, repay जब किया, तो वो par में किया. Now fourth situation is where I'm issuing at par. Okay, 100 rupees debenture, I'm issuing at 100 rupees, but repaying, redeeming at premium. लौटाते वक्त 105 rupees में return किया. Understood? While returning, I am returning at 105 rupees. So that is issued at par and redeemable at premium. Clear? Then again, it might be that I am issuing at premium and redeeming also at premium. 100 rupees का शेयर है, इशू किया 108 रुपीज में और रिडीम किया 105 rupees में. This question it can be understood by point number 5 also. Issue किया 108, मतलब 100 rupees का debenture है, so face value is 100. If I issue more than that, that will be issued at premium. It can be 102 also, it can be 101 also, doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't require to be more or less than the redeemable value. Just the thing is that it should be more than 100 rupees. Okay, it might be issued at 101 and redeemable at 105. That is also issued at premium, redeemable at premium. Issued at premium means I'm issuing at more than 100 rupees, and redeemable at premium means while returning also I'm returning at more than 100 rupees. That 100 rupees might be more than 100 rupees might be, it can be 110, it can be 120, doesn't matter. Okay, just the thing is that it should be more than 100 rupees while issuing, and it should be more than 100 rupees while repaying. That is called issued at premium, redeemable at premium. The next comes debenture issued at discount, means I'm issuing at less than 100 rupees, say 95 or 98, and redeemable at par, sorry, premium. Redeemable at premium, I'm redeeming at more than 100 rupees, say 115, 110, or even more than that. That will be called issued at par, sorry, issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Okay, issued at discount, redeemable at premium. I'm issuing at less than 100 rupees and repaying at more than 100 rupees. So issued at discount and redeemable at premium. Okay, so these are the 6 conditions we are going to get. So all the 6 conditions today we are going to discuss and learn about that. So one by one we'll start. First one, see, in every transaction you have to just show that how the transaction will appear at the time of issue itself. Okay, redemption is not required, only the issue entry is required, and the impact on redemption need to be shown at the time of issue itself. Issue करते वक्त उसका impact क्या होगा, बस उसको दिखाना है. Let's see, you'll understand. First of all, the first one, a debenture issued at 100 rupees, redeemable at 100 rupees. Now here only one share has been mentioned, value of a debenture, one debenture. Now, if there are more than one debenture, say 10,000 debentures, so it will be multiplied by 10, 10,000. Okay. If there are 1 lakh debentures, then multiplied by 1 lakh, right? So that you all understood. It depending on the number of debentures. If the debentures are 10,000, then it should be multiplied by 10,000. The issued a debenture at rupees 100 part, okay, and payable at 100 means it will be 10,000 into 100. If there are 10,000 debentures, here only a debenture is given, means one debenture. Okay, in all the case, remember that as many debentures will be there, you have to multiply that many times of debentures, okay, to get the value. Clear? Here only one debenture is told, so we'll do it only one debenture. A debenture issued at 100 rupees and payable at 100 rupees. That means a situation of issued at par, redeemable at par. Clear? So what will happen? Here we can see that whatever money we are taking, that same money we are going to return it back. So there is no profit, no loss here, right? So what you are going to do at the time of issue, you are going to get the money. So it will be bank account debit. Money will come. Bank account debit. How much? 100 rupees. To debenture application and allotment account, 100 rupees. You can remember in case of shares we have done to shared application and allotment if we are taking at one time. Okay, and we have done in case of shares, there were issued at um, issued at a one means payable at one time, and the other one was payable in installment. Okay, issue of share where the payable was at a time, and the other one was where the payment was to be done in installment. So here we are going to take at a time payment. Okay, so what will be that? Bank account debit, money will come in the bank. To debenture, here why debenture? Because it is issue of debenture. In the case of shares, it was shares, right? So here it will be two debentures, application and allotment account, 100 rupees. Application also received and allotment also made. Clear? Now coming to the transfer entry. As I already told you, in case of shares also, you will have receive and transfer, receive and transfer. So what is the transfer entry? Debenture application and allotment account debit, 100 rupees, right? To debenture account. Here it will not be capital, okay? But what is the debenture category? This 8%. This 8% is referring to 2 points. One, it is the group, 8% group. Okay, this is the 8% group of debenture. ग्रुपिंग होता है, 8% ग्रुप होता है, 10% ग्रुप होता है, और ये 8% 10% क्या होता है पता है? इंटरेस्ट रेट. दिस डिवेंचर होल्डर विल गेट at 8% interest, but we are not required to show the interest yet, so relax. Okay, so what will be the entry? Transfer entry, debenture application and allotment account debit. We are closing that account and the money will go in 8% debenture account. It is a liability, so it is not, that is why it is not showing debenture capital account. It will be 8% debenture account. Okay, it will not be going in any share capital or debenture capital. It will not be capital because it is a debt fund, borrowed fund. Okay, that is why 8% debenture account 100 rupees. Clear? Understood? Because since we are taking 100 rupees and returning 100 rupees, so there is no profit, so and no loss. So no need to make any arrangement for that, any extra loss around. There is nothing loss here, right? So it will be same. Bank account debit to debenture application allotment account when we are receiving the money, 100 rupees, 100 rupees, and at the time of transfer, debenture application allotment account debit to 8% debenture account, 100 rupees, 100 rupees, right? Clear? Now going to the next one. What is that? Debentures issued at premium. We are getting 5 rupees extra money, isn't it? More than the face value. And we are repaying at 100 rupees. So first we'll see what is the issue. At the time of issue means 105 rupees we are going to receive. So it will be bank account debit to debenture application allotment account 105. Premium will be shown at the time of transfer as we have done in shares. So it will be like this. Bank account debit 105 to debenture application allotment account 105. Clear? Being application money we received. Okay, with premium. Now at the time of transfer, you have to see what is the repayable amount also. The repayable amount is how much? 100 rupees. So we are not making any loss, isn't it? Only the profit, capital profit is of 5 rupees. Clear? So we are not making any loss. 100 rupees ka value ka share, 100 rupees return kar rahe. So what will be that? Transfer entry will be like this. Debenture application allotment account will be closed by debiting. So debenture application allotment account debit 105 to debenture account, the face value will go 100 rupees, and to securities premium reserve account will be 5 rupees, the premium securities premium amount, as we have done in shares. Same that way. Okay. Debenture application allotment account debit 105 to debenture account, 8% debenture account 100 rupees to securities premium 5 rupees. Clear? Okay. Now let's see the next one. A debenture issued at rupees 95 and repayable at rupees 100. Clear? So here what you are saying, issued at discount and repayable at 100 means repayable at premium, sorry, par. Okay, issued at discount and repayable at par. So what are you seeing here? Issuing at discount means there's a loss of 5 rupees, and repaying at a premium means repaying at a par means there is no profit no loss while repaying. फेस वैल्यू में रिपे करो तो कोई प्रॉफिट कोई लॉस नहीं होगा, लेकिन इशू करते वक्त डिस्काउंट हुआ ना. So what will be the entry? At the time of entry there will be no problem. Receive entry. At the time of receive entry there will be no problem. 95 rupees you will receive, right? So bank account debit to debenture application allotment account 95 rupees. That will be same. Okay, see here. Bank account debit 95 rupees to debenture application allotment account 95 rupees. That will be same here. Okay, no problem in that. While repaying, we are repaying at how much? We are repaying at 100 rupees. So 5 rupees extra premium, isn't it? Sorry, 5 rupees extra value, but it is not premium. Remember that it is extra value, but it is not premium. Premium कब होगा? अगर more than the face value. Face value कितना है? 100 है. तो repay भी तो 100 किया. अगर 100 rupees से ज्यादा करते हैं, if we are repaying more than 100, then it will be called premium. Here we are repaying at 100, so it will be par. It will be not any, there will not be any loss. Only the thing is that a discount. So what will be a transfer entry? The transfer entry will be like this. Debenture application and allotment account will be closed. So debenture application and allotment account debit. How much? 95. Clear? Discount on issue of debenture account debit. This is the loss. Okay, this discount. So discount on issue of debenture account debit 5 rupees. It will be debited because it is a capital loss. To 8% debenture account 100 rupees. We'll take the 8% value as the same 100 rupees. Okay, this discount is included in the value of the debenture. 100 rupees is the face value. Out of that, 95 rupees we are receiving and 5 rupees we are allowing discount. So that is why debenture application allotment account debit. How much we have received? 95. Discount we are giving 5 rupees. So discount on issue of debenture account debit 5 rupees. To 8% debenture account, the face value of 100. Remember that always and always the face value is transferred in the debenture account. Yeah. I hope all of you have understood this part. Okay. Now, rest of the three. Okay, out of the rest of the three, another one I'm going to solve it today, and next one, other two, I'm going to show you the next video. Okay, so what is that? A debenture issued at rupees 100 and repayable at rupees 15, sorry, 105. Okay, issued at 100, that is issued at par, and redeemable at more than 100 rupees, so repayable at premium or redeemable at premium, right? So पहले issue का कर लेते हैं, कितना पैसा मिला, 100 rupees. So bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account, 100 rupees. That is clear, I guess. You can just see point number 4. What is there? Bank account debit, 100 rupees to debenture application and allotment account, 100 rupees. Clear? After that, transfer. While transferring, you have to see what is the redeemable amount also you're redeeming at. You're repaying at 105 rupees. You're repaying at 105 rupees. So this 105 rupees, the redeemable amount, is how much extra you're paying, repaying back how much extra rupees, more than the face value, kitna pay kar rahe hain? 5 rupees, right? So this 5 rupees will be taken as a loss of the company, because of this particular share itself we are making a loss of 5 rupees. Clear? So this 5 rupees is our loss. So what you are going to do, we are going, while transferring, you have to calculate this loss. And why this loss is there? Because of the premium. We are redeeming at premium. So let's just see what is the entry here. Debenture application allotment account debit, 100 rupees. That is clear. That will go in the 8% debenture account. To 8% debenture account, how much? It will be 100 rupees, right? There is some typing error here. Okay, so this particular entry, what will happen is that, as you can see, it will be first of all transferred. That is, debenture application and allotment account will be debited. Debenture application and allotment account debit 100 rupees to 8% debenture account 100 rupees. ठीक है, ये पहले की तरह same. Okay, now what is our additional loss? Only one thing we can get here is the premium on redemption, right? So that first of all you have to record that premium redemption, that is our loss. So that will be recorded now itself. How? Loss on issue of debenture account. How? Loss on issue of debenture account will be debited. Okay, loss on issue of debenture account debit 5 rupees. Okay, loss on loss on issue of debenture account will be debited 5 rupees. And this loss, why it is debited? Because we are going to repay in future. So now itself we have to make the arrangement. So that is why this loss will be debited here. Loss on issue of debenture account debit 5 rupees. And why there is a loss? Because of the premium. So we have to create that additional liability here. Okay, this premium will not be our income or anything. It will be our liability. Why? Because we have to repay it to the debenture holders. That is why two premium on redemption of debenture account 5 rupees is created as a liability, right? This 5 rupees and 5 rupees, there is a direct relation here. That is, this loss of debenture, loss on issue of debenture of 5 rupees is named as premium on redemption of debenture account, and it will be created as liability. At the time of redemption, we have to pay this. That is why it will remain as liability, and that is also our loss. So that will be again kept in the debit side as loss on issue of debenture account. Clear? I'm repeating once again. Bank account debit to debenture application allotment account 100 rupees what you have received, that is issued at par. And while transferring, it will be debenture application allotment account debit 100 rupees to debenture 8% debenture account 100 rupees. That is clear, right? And remaining 5 rupees is our redemption value. कितना में redeem कर रहा है? 105. So कितने का loss हो रहा है? 5 rupees, right? So that 5 rupees will come here. So just a minute. This 5 rupees will come as a loss on issue of debenture account. Loss on issue of debenture account kitna hai? 5 rupees, right? And this loss, why there is a loss? Because we are redeeming at premium. So that will remain as a liability till the time we repay it. At the time of repaying back, this account will be closed. This premium account will be closed and will pay. Now it will remain as a liability because in future we are going to pay it. Two premium on redemption of debenture account 5 rupees. Okay, that is premium, there is debentures issued at par and redeemable at premium. Okay, clear? I hope all of you have understood today's class. Okay, please mark up your attendance and go through it properly, make a proper note of it. In next video, I will discuss about the remaining 2 points, and this is very, very important for your examinations. Okay, the board examinations. Most of the board examinations comprise of this type of questions, so please go through it nicely. Okay, till then, take care. Take care of yourself, take care of your guardians also, and do take care of your studies. Okay, till then, bye bye.